Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Starling Bank protects against fraud. Starling Bank uses a multi-layered approach to keep your money safe. It starts from the moment you sign up, with a robust identity and verification process that includes video checks. Once you're a customer, they provide a number of in-app tools and features to give you control and peace of mind. One of the key features is real-time monitoring. Starling's systems are constantly watching for suspicious activity, and if they spot something unusual, they'll contact you immediately through an in-app message. You also get instant notifications for every transaction, so you can spot anything you don't recognize right away. For your account security, Starling uses strong multi-factor authentication, including biometric login like fingerprint or facial recognition. You can also use in-app card controls to freeze your card instantly if you lose it or to restrict specific types of payments, such as gambling transactions. Starling also has features to protect you from scams. For example, the confirmation of payee initiative helps ensure you are sending money to the correct person. They've also implemented a call status indicator within the app, which tells you in real time if a call is genuinely from Starling Bank, helping to prevent impersonation scams. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.